Welcome to CrashMap Video Tutorial 6, Crash Monitoring. This tutorial explains how to create crash monitoring areas and provides examples of how to produce and manage crash monitoring reports to enable you to monitor the road safety performance of both crash-based and non-crash-based projects delivered on your road network. The Crash Monitoring tool is located on the Crashes Query slide-out side panel on the left side of the screen and is accessed by selecting the Crash tab option, and the Monitoring tool is located at the bottom of the Crash tab. To use the monitoring tool, you will need two key pieces of information: an understanding of the extent of the change to the road environment following completion of a project, and construction start and end dates for the project that is to be monitored. Users have two options when defining the location and extents for a monitoring area. You can either use the Add Polygon Area option and create a boundary by clicking points on the map to define the extents of the proposed monitoring area, or you can choose to select the Add Road option and input a road name or number and an SLK start and end to define a project's extent for monitoring. To demonstrate the project monitoring tool, the Add Polygon Area option has been used to create a monitoring area at the location of a new roundabout that was constructed on the Mullaloo Drive in 2014 to address a crash problem. In this example, the aerial imagery base map is used along with the crash data layer to assist with establishing the extents of the monitoring area boundary. Once the boundary is created, you select the Create Monitoring Report option and input the following project details: the construction start date, the 1st of January 2014, the construction end date, the 1st of June 2014. Then select the project type. In this case, the project was delivered to address a crash problem, which means that this example is a crash-based project. You then select the treatments that best describe the project. Treatment 1. Treatment 2 roundabout, 2 lane. Treatment 3. Modify roundabout approaches to achieve safe operating speeds. Then add any additional notes. In this example, pre-deflection was only provided on north and southbound approaches to the roundabout. Once all the details have been entered, you then select the Run Report button to create a new monitoring report for this project. The Crash Monitoring Report provides the following results: the crash severities and crash nature for all the crashes recorded at the monitoring location for 5 years before construction, during the project construction period, and 1, 3, and 5 years following construction. The report also provides the crash severity and crash nature percentage change over the 5 years before and after construction periods. If there is insufficient crash data available in the after construction period, the monitoring report will show a partial report showing the available crash statistics. The View Monitoring Reports option allows users to view and manage all previously created monitoring reports on their monitoring reports list. Monitoring reports can be regenerated up to the anniversary of 5 years from the after construction date of the project, at which time the report becomes a static report that can be viewed, but it cannot be regenerated. Users also have the option to export their complete lists of monitoring reports to Excel. This concludes the crash monitoring tutorial. Please refer to the CrashMap user guide if you require any further information about these features.